Which of the following would support the opinion in the highlighted text? In the context of the highlighted text, the passage says that data criticism, which includes both critical analysis of data and data visualization, is not a digital history problem but a history problem, and that all historians must take it seriously if they want to continue to be effective evaluators of history. So it can be inferred that the highlighted text suggests that the criticism of data and its techniques is not limited in scope because it is not limited to digital history, and it is a central part of history, and it is of significance to every historian who wants to effectively evaluate the history. So in this context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the tools of data analysis becoming more sophisticated. More sophisticated tool does not necessarily indicate that data criticism is more central to history, and all historians should take it seriously if they want to evaluate history effectively. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, historical analysis will go beyond traditional means of evaluation. This answer choice makes no suggestion regarding data visualization or data criticism. It simply talks about historical analysis expanding in scope. So this answer choice does not support the idea that data visualization or its criticism will become more central to history, and that all historians should take it seriously if they want to effectively evaluate the history. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, historians will not have to be data mining experts to use data visualization techniques. This answer choice simply indicates that using data visualization techniques will be easier, but it makes no suggestion regarding it becoming a central part of history. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, digital humanities becoming a specialized field within general historical analysis. If this is true, it indicates that data visualization or data criticism will not be central to history because it will have its own space. So this answer choice weakens rather than supports the idea. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, effective historical evaluation will not be possible without visualizing data. Yes, this is what is implied in the context of the highlighted text, because it says that data criticism is not limited to digital history. It is a central part of history, and all historians must take it seriously if they want to effectively evaluate the history. In other words, it can be said that effective evaluation of history will not be possible without visualizing data. E is the correct answer choice.